Hey friends, Mary with Merry-Go-Round Quilts here. Today I'm going to show you a technique called Quilt As You Go, where you stitch through all 3 layers of your quilt sandwich at one time to complete your quilt. We're going to take some strips and make this fun holiday placemat. Let me show you how it's done. For this project, you're going to need a piece of backing fabric that is 13 by 18 inches and another piece of batting that is the same size. I, however, did cut my batting a little bit bigger just because I wanted a little extra wiggle room. You're also going to need some scraps, and these are anywhere from 2 to 1.5 inches that I've cut here. You can use any width of strips that you want. If you've got leftover jelly roll strips, that would work great. I've cut my strips to about 14 inches, so they are a little bit longer than the length here of my placemat. Next, you're going to lay out your backing and your batting. Your backing fabric is wrong side up, right side is facing your mat. And then we are going to center our batting piece on top of that. Then we are going to take 2 of our strips, place them right sides together, and then lay those onto the left edge of your piece. We're going to be stitching 1/4 inch down this strip here, and you want to make sure that your strip is totally covering your batting and your backing. So you might want to have it overhang just about 1/4 inch or so you know that your strip is going to be covering the entire placemat. So now let's go to the machine and stitch this down. If you want to put some pins in this to keep it in place, you can. I'm just going to hold it and stitch 1/4 inch. Now we're going to open and press. You can give this a finger press first if you like, and then just give it a press so that it lays flat. When that's done, we take our next strip and we're going to place it right sides together on the strip that we already stitched. And we're going to stitch 1/4 inch again down this side. Again, we're going to open and we're going to press. Next, we're going to take another strip and we're going to repeat this process until we have completed our entire placemat. almost at the end. I think I will probably need maybe 2 more strips. So let's sew this one together and see how much space we have if we need another one on the end. Okay, I'm gonna need 1 more. I got a little bit left over here on the outside edge. So let's press and stitch on the last one. We'll do this one more. Let's iron this, press this last piece here. Now our placemat is all stitched and we just need to trim the excess off of the back. So we're going to line our ruler up with our backing fabric and we're going to trim all 4 sides. Now when we flip this over, we have a fun Quilt As You Go placemat. It's all quilted down, but if you want to practice your free motion quilting, go ahead at this point and just come in here and do maybe an all over, a stipple or loops, or practice designs, a different design in every single strip. So all you have left is to put on a binding and you're done. Here's one that I've already put binding on, and you can see how cute that looks and how much it will add to your Christmas decor.